what's up? It's me, SophiaStarMagic, and today we are going back into Gucci Town for this brand new update. Let's go check it out, guys! So, let's look around first. I'm gonna go look around over here. Let's see if there's anything new in the power-up place.
Ooh. I feel like we gotta find this. Ooh, we gotta find this skateboard that they've been talking about.
A skateboard?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I don't know. Let's go check it out. Ooh, look at those flowers. That's really pretty.
Enough.
Ooh, an outdoor cafe.
Let's see. Nothing.
Can we wait? Can we just take a minute and look at the beautiful flowers on that wall?
I took a picture of that one.
That's dope. Here, let's stop and take a picture. Maybe a selfie? Oops. Let's go.
Battery mode. So let's look in here just in case. Let's go look in the cafe.
Cuteness.
Nothing much in here.
But I like the colors. Look up. Wait, you want to sit down on that sofa? That's pretty cool. Nah. All right, let's keep going.
Let's see if there's anything new underwater.
Ooh, oh, wow. That's pretty dope.
I've been under there before in my last video. Be sure to go check it out, guys.
Oh, what's this leaderboard over here? Oh, interesting. Are you up there, SophiaStarMagic?
Nope.
It says what?
Well, I don't play this game very often, so.
But you're playing it now, which is cool because Mommy wanted to check it out. Selfie way, I love it.
Selfie way.
Oh, look at the dog. That's hilarious.
OMG.
Those are adorbs.
Let's take a photo.
Oh, look, we could buy this dog. Let's take a look at this cool carrier case. Love it.
Nice.
Go to the next one. We could buy that for Rocky.
Yeah.
For our rescue pup, we could buy that cool, like, little outfit for him.
This puppy is rich. This King Doogie is so cute.
All right.
Oh.
All right, let's go. Where's the skateboard? I have no idea. Should we keep going?
Huh? Let's just go check near games. Hey, I think I see something over there.
Oh, someone just went in there.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Anything?
Oh, new games to play, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, it's not letting you in there.
Because it has a time limit.
What do you mean? Oh, it's starting in 2 minutes. Should we head back there in a bit?
Yeah, sure. Let's go explore the creativity.
It says Creative Corner.
The creative corner.
So you've already played the game where you collected GUCCI, right?
For
That's
Gucci.
pretty cool. For Gucci.
I already had
Whoa, what's up there?
GU. I heard that up here that you can like create your own sculpture. This is mine.
Let's take a look.
And I can like rotate stuff. Let's go back.
What is that? Like a cute?
Remove.
Oh.
Close. See, I get Gucci coins for that. Let's go check out something.
Oh, wow, look at that building with the
Hey,
stripes.
what's right here? Huh? Nay.
What is that?
It says Lexman Sculpture.
Oh, wow. They have like art in here. Wait, go back. What was that cool thing with the triangles you just passed by?
Oh, that's just a jump boost.
Got it. Of course.
Whee.
Oh, look, it's a Gucci logo on that thing. That was cool.
Yeah. Let's go in here and see if there's anything new. Wait, Mom?
Yeah.
Remember back there was nothing.
But maybe there's something now. Oh, wait, you have 47 seconds. You gotta get back to...
Uh-oh.
Oh, the bags. Look at those pretty Gucci
Yeah.
bags. Mommy likes those.
Let's look.
Oh, nothing yet. Maybe they'll surprise us one day.
Yeah.
You know what's so cool? The stripes and stuff in here, like the patterns and colors.
Where the heck is the skateboard?
I don't know.
Let's go check in the Gucci shop.
You have 27 seconds to get back to that game, though.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh, there is new games.
Oh my God,
You're
that
right.
is dope. Look at that.
Let's see which one we'll go to.
They're like arenas, they call them.
I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, disappearing tiles.
All right, let's do it.
The last player be standing. Quickly jump into the. I heard that you will get like 20.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Go! I'm so excited.
Oh my God, look at all these people in
look at
there.
all the players.
What do you do? Is it like musical chairs?
Not really. It's like disappearing tiles, I guess.
Okay, get in there, girl. Get those gems. Oh, they are disappearing. Ah! Oh my God, they keep falling. Don't fall. Be careful. Hop around. Hop, 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 hop. Be careful, be careful, be careful, be careful. Yee! You're doing good. Keep it going, keep it going. Oh my God, get the jump. You missed the jump. Go back. Corner.
I
That
lost.
was fun though. That was
Yeah.
really fun. Well, I think it was cool to check this out, but you know what we gotta go do? Get ready for camp.
Yeah.
All right, so why don't you sign off?
All right. Anyways, it was so fun playing in Gucci Town, even though we didn't find a skateboard yet.
We'll have to go back and check it out, right?
Yep. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye, guys.